Okay, so this is a Cessna 152, a pretty small aircraft but fun to fly, used commonly around the world for training. Okay, so let's see the instruments. This is the airspeed indicator, this is the artificial horizon, this is the slip and turn coordinator, this is the headings indicator. Headings indicator आपको बताता है कि आप किस direction में जा रहे हैं. This is the altimeter, it shows your height. This is the vertical speed indicator, it tells you how fast or slow you're going up and down. These are used for direction finding. Okay, these are the radios, both of these, and this is the transponder. Don't ask me what it is, बहुत time लगेगा समझाने में. Okay, this is the RPM gauge. This shows your this shows your voltage. Okay, and this is the control stick. This is the throttle, it controls the power, and this is the mixture, it controls how much of fuel is going in the cylinder, and lots of other small gauges. What else? Okay, let's see. So let me check. यार instructor तो नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, no instructor आसपास कहीं पे भी नहीं है. So okay, देखते हैं अगर रेडियो पे आप लोगों को कुछ सुनाई देता है तो. So we switch on master and let's listen to the radio. Okay, and speaker on करते हैं. Okay, that's the ATIS. So
LSP airport information Delta to 0047 Zulu weather, wind 210 at 10, visibility 20. Few clouds at 25,000, temperature 19er, dew point 10, altimeter 29er.
Right, so it gives us all the information about the weather, and well, that's it. Okay, that was the ATIS. Now let's see if we can hear some conversation between the ATC and the aircraft. So we switch on the radio again, and I change the frequency to 121.70. Okay. Now you can hear a conversation between the ATC and some aircraft which is somewhere, maybe in the sky or on the tarmac. बोलो कुछ, कहाँ गए सारे जहाज? Okay, इस frequency पे कोई नहीं है, so we can try 120. Let's see.
Helicopter 616, proceed to the county pass, wind 240 at 8.
Okay, that was the ATC controller giving instructions to a helicopter. Or else, आज साली छुट्टी है ना तो flying बहुत कम हो रही है. Okay, let's change the frequency again. I don't know if this frequency is in use, but let's see. Okay, if you guys see that aircraft, रुको जरा zoom करने दो. Yeah, you see that one? Now he is doing his checks, so very soon this guy will be calling up the control tower for takeoff, so we can listen to that. So I'll change the frequency. there should be some action on this frequency now.
Cessna 738 Tango Bravo, request frequency change to Montgomery.
Cessna Tango Bravo, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Tango Bravo, thank you.
Fox West 9, Pop Echo, contact ground point 7.
Thank you, good day.
Have a good day. Cessna 2 Alpha Delta, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 2 Alpha Delta.
Cherokee 15 uniform, traffic is assessed and departing departure Bravo, runway 27 right, clear, touch and go.
Okay.
Uniform looking. Traffic Tower is now 113 Foxtrot, holding show runway 27 left, request left, close traffic.
Okay, so this was the same guy who's sitting in that aircraft which I just showed to you. He just was asking for takeoff permission.
Hold short, runway 27 left, landing traffic.
Now he has been told to hold short because there's someone who's about to land on that runway. So
Cherokee 3015 uniform down a beam for 27 right, close traffic.
okay, my instructor is coming, so I'll have to shut this off. See ya guys, bye bye.